Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a C-stand. First, let's get the base ready. Carefully unfold the 3 legs, making sure the longest leg, often called the lazy leg, is fully extended and points towards where your equipment will be. This specific orientation is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing your stand from tipping over, especially when supporting heavier gear. Always prioritize stability from the very beginning. Now that the base is stable, let's adjust the height. Loosen the T-handles on the risers, then carefully extend the stand to your desired working height. C-stands typically have 2 or 3 risers, allowing for significant vertical adjustment. Once you've reached the perfect height, firmly tighten all the T-handles. This ensures the risers are locked in place, preventing any accidental drops or shifts during your shoot. Safety first, always. With the stand at the correct height, it's time for the grip head. Place the grip head onto the top pin of the C-stand. A key detail here is to orient the grip head so its larger jaw faces the direction where your gobo arm, and thus your equipment, will extend. This provides optimal leverage and grip. Once positioned, firmly tighten the T-handle on the grip head to lock it securely in place, ready for the arm. Finally, let's attach the gobo arm. Insert the arm into the grip head, making sure the weight of whatever you're mounting is directly over one of the C-stand's legs. This alignment is critical for stability. For added security, especially with heavier loads, always use a sandbag or other counterweight on the opposite leg. This simple step significantly enhances the stand's stability, preventing accidental falls and keeping your equipment safe during use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.